Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some experiments with the bloom technique. If you like what you see, stay tuned. Alright, so I am using a 6x6 canvas and I am working on I have it placed on my cake turntable. You can see that I'll be using the black cell activator. This is my first time using it. I use it with the Amsterdam black, and I mix it the same way that I do my white cell activator, which is a half a teaspoon of the Amsterdam black mixed with 2 3/4 to 3 tablespoons of Floetrol. I also use 3 to 4 drops of Minwax Wood Conditioner. Seems to work really good for me. I've had some good results with the white cell activator using that. Alright, so I did want to try something a little bit different. Instead of the white base coat, I am using Extreme Sheen Copper. I love the Extreme Sheen Deco Art paints. They're bright and vibrant and nice and shiny. And all my colors will be in the description. I've got some Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta, and then the other color I used is Deco Art Dazzling Metallics Champagne Gold. It is a really nice glittery paint. Alright, so I am using my straw today. In the past I have used my mini leaf blower. I do think that from previous experiments it works, but I think sometimes it blows too hard. And with this, the bloom, you need to blow your cell activator over top of your other paints, not necessarily mix them. And I think sometimes that's what happens. You can see that it's worked really, really well. I'm happy with how this black is worked so far. So now I'm just going to go ahead and give it some spins there and try to just let it spread out using the force of the turntable there. It's looking pretty cool. You can see it stretching out. It looks like a flower. I'm loving these colors together also. And then I'm just going to touch up. You can see I'm getting all the edges there touched up because I didn't coat it completely, so I just want to make sure it's covered that way. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I do like to do experiments. I like to try new things, new products. So if you like that, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified when I do a new experiment. Alright, so I am just about done here. I think I am going to go ahead and maybe give it another little spin on the turntable here and see what happens. Just spread it out just a touch more. I'm really, really loving the design of this. It looks so cool, and I've gotten really, really good results from this black cell activator. I wasn't sure if it was going to work out very well. I had gotten good results with the white, but it does really make a difference when you are trying the bloom technique to use the Amsterdam paints. In my experience, it really does make a difference with the Amsterdam paints. I've had the most success by using Amsterdam brand paints, so that's my little tip for y'all that are gonna try to do the bloom technique. Oh, and don't forget to have some patience because you might not get it on the first time. It's one of those techniques, it takes a little practice. Alright, so I think I'm about done here. Just have to touch up just a few spots on the canvas, and I should be good to go, and you'll be able to see some wet photos here. It looks quite stunning. You can see, look at the Deco Art Dazzling Metallics. That glitter in there just looks really, really pretty. I got some awesome bloom technique. The cells look great. So I'm pretty happy with how good this black cell activator is working. Super good results. And if you like these results as much as I do, stick around for my test Pour Experiment number 2. It is the swipe using the black cell activator as well. Alright, so I'm starting this one off the same way as the other one. I'm using the Deco Art Extreme Sheen Copper, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover the canvas, and I didn't want to move it too much. I want it to be a little bit thicker paint on the canvas because I am doing a swipe, and of course I need to get those air bubbles out of there. There's not too many. I'm just making sure I get them all. And this color here is one that I actually mixed myself. I had some leftover bronze and gold from a couple previous pours, so I just mixed them together. And then I've got my Liquitex magenta, and of course I'm using the dazzling metallics again. And then this is the black cell activator. Hopefully I get good results with the swipe like I did with the other bloom that I used. Now I've gotten good results with doing a swipe with the white cell activator, so that's why I wanted to try the black again. And with this one I'm using baby wipes. If you've seen my other videos, I do use baby wipes for my swipes most of the time. On occasion I will use brown paper, but for the most part I love the results I get by using baby wipes because they're damp, they're not too wet, and they just they grab the paint like the even amount. I don't know, they just work really well for me. So if you have trouble with your swipes, try baby wipes. They do work well. Okay, so I do want to remind you guys, for those of you that know, or for those of you that don't know, I have a Facebook group. It is called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. It's an amazing group. I have over 1,600 members now. Everybody is so helpful. If you have any questions, if I don't answer, somebody else will. We have links to our videos and photos, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, but first you gotta join. I will tell you, you will not regret it. It's just a really nice place, lots of inspiration as well. So like I said, if you're not a member, make sure you do that. All right, so back to the painting. I am just getting everything touched up, I think, here, just adding a little bit of movement to it. Sometimes I don't like a straight line. I mean, sometimes I do. I guess it just, it just depends on the day, I suppose. But this one I just wanted to add a little movement, not so much straight, and there is kind of a bit of paint, more paint on there than I wanted to leave, which if I do that then it may crack, and nobody wants their paintings to crack. So I think I am done. I'm just going to go ahead and touch up some areas there, and I'm going to show you the wet results. These are so pretty. Look at that extreme sheen copper and the dazzling metallics, all that glitter. I've got some awesome cells with that black cell activator. So I'm pretty happy with the results of this swipe. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the dried results of both of the paintings now. Let you decide what you think. I think they look amazing. The colors are just beautiful, nice and shiny. They dried perfectly. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave me a comment below. And don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And if you know someone that may benefit from this video or just enjoy it, you can go ahead and share it as well. And I do have a bunch of other videos that I know you will also enjoy, so don't forget to check those out as well. They are right there on the left if you want to click one of those, and I'll catch you in my next video.